So you might be trying to figure out how you can do a poll on Snapchat. Now, doing this is very, very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and go into your Snapchat application and you want to go and take a Snapchat. So you can make whatever type of Snapchat you want to. It's super basic. It doesn't really take too much time. And from here, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on the little option up here that shows this little like sticker button. So it's like the third option down and you want to go and tap on it. Now when you do that, this little page is going to come up. Now when this page comes up, all you're really going to have to do here is go and find the little poll button. Now the poll button is going to be right at the very top. Now you can also search for it, but you want to come right at the very top and it's like the second to the last option right there says poll. So what you want to do is you want to tap onto this poll option here and this is where you can ask a question. So what you can do is you can do something like, does this look good? So you can go and ask a question like that or something like that. And from here, you can basically modify it whichever way you want to. Now, the cool thing about this is that you can make this bigger or smaller depending on what you want to do. And from here, when you post this story, people will basically be able to, either tap on the yes or no button from here. And you can even modify this. So you can modify the, whatever the song or whatever. You can also change the particular, icon. So if you don't want a thumbs up emoji, you can either do like a this emoji or like another emoji here. So you can kind of modify it whichever way you want to, which is actually very cool. So from here, you can go and keep modifying it and changing this whichever way you want to. And then whenever you're done, you can post the story. Now, you'll get the results just within your story. Like if you go into your story panel and swipe up, just the way you can see people's, posts and stuff on stories. And you can see their views. You can go and see whether they respond to this as well. So that's basically what you can do, and it's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.